Well, since we've been looking at the impact teachers have on our lives, we thought it only appropriate to end our show with a young lady whose appreciation for her ag instructors is reflected in her FFA address. Here's Oklahoma FFA's Megan DeVeest.
When thinking about what my ag teacher means to me, there's a story that I like to tell that goes a little bit like this. The dinner guests were sitting around the table discussing life. One man, the president of a large company, decided to explain the problem with education. He argued, what's a kid going to learn from someone who decided his best option in life was to become a teacher? He reminded the other dinner guests what people say about teachers. Those who can, do, and those who can't, teach. To prove his point, he turned to one of the other dinner guests and said, "You're an ag teacher. Be honest. What do you make?" Having a reputation for honesty and frankness, the ag teacher replied, "You want to know what I make? I make kids work harder than they ever thought they could. I teach them how to think on their feet and work as a team. I make them question. I make them criticize. I make them apologize and mean it. I teach them how to appreciate the food on their table and balance a checkbook. I make them understand that if they use their brains, set their goals, and follow their dreams, they can accomplish anything. I make them understand that if someone tries to judge them by what they earn, they must never listen because the question was never learned." The ag teacher paused and then continued quietly and deliberately. "You want to know what I make? I make a difference. What do you make?"